In today's fast-paced industrial world, automation is key to staying competitive. But why choose expensive robots when you can achieve the same level of efficiency with the IGUS low-cost automation product line? Meet the high-end robot. It's impressive, but it comes with a hefty price tag. Now, meet the IGUS low-cost automation product line. In many cases, these robots do the same job, but at a fraction of the cost and with the same maintenance-free technology that IGUS is famous for. Take our customer Industrial Robot Help, for example. As an integration company with over 25 years experience in the automation field, their goal is to design the simplest, most cost-effective solutions for their clients. We prefer practicality over extravagance. That's why customers like Industrial Robot Help choose IGUS for their low-cost automation needs. Their values align perfectly with our own. We offer reliable, easy to integrate, and cost-effective solutions. Why spend more when you can get the same results for less? With the IGUS low-cost automation product line, you get high performance without the high price tag. For more information on our low-cost automation product line, visit our robotics marketplace at rbtx.com. And don't forget, if you hate it, automate it.